Pankaj, let's get your views also coming in. Which phase of the cycle is the Indian real estate right now?
So if you look at the real estate cycle, in fact, between 2011 to say 2021, we have seen the cycle was almost on a stagnant phase. We have not seen any major price movement, or the demand were broadly stagnant. But in the last 2 to 3 years, we have seen the real estate demand has been on the uptrend. And this is largely led by the structural reforms that we have seen, particularly with respect to RERA and the improving affordability. Plus, if you look at the inventory in the system is on the lower side because of the strong demand, and on launches were on the lower side. So this kind of demand trend we are still continuing to see, largely because of still the inventory, if you see, is around 1.5 years or less in most of the micro markets. And there's a equally strong demand from the real buyers. So the demand we see continue to remain strong, and we have seen the latest results also. The volumes were on the upswing. In certain cases, we have seen the volumes almost doubled, or even the pre-sales value terms has also gone up. Prices have moved up, but that has also encouraged the demand.
Right. So, which are the stock picks which you have on your radar within space?
See, if you look at in last 6 months, the real estate stocks have moved up very sharply, and most of the stocks are trading at their upper end of the valuation band. So if you look at preferred picks at these levels, most of the stocks are fully valued, but still we like companies which are looking for on a positive side for a long term, is like DLF, macro tech developers, and prestige states that we can look at on declines.
Pankaj, we've also seen a lot of shift happening from affordable to luxury, which is happening especially in some project details which have come in like DLF, others. What's happening in the NCR region? We've seen projects are getting completely sold out. Talk to us about how do you see some of the big players in that region operate? One is Signature Global, second biggest player in Gurgaon, DLF, and some others as well.
So you rightly pointed out that in Gurugram particularly, we have seen a very strong demand for the launches from real DLF. They have sold off the entire inventory in a quarter for the latest launch. And even in the recent case, Signature Global has also done well. So of course, the demand on the luxury and the premium end is quite positive. And we see the buyers are preferring towards larger homes, and they are preferring for the branded players. So that's why most of the sales from the large brands are looking quite strong. Even if they are quoting at the prices which they are quoting is around 15 to 20% higher than the other non-branded players. So the demand for this category is quite strong, no doubt.
Right. All right, Pankaj, thank you very much for joining us on the show. That was a good take as far as the entire real estate space is concerned, and also talking about some of the stocks which you have a view on.